No. Plant for building material. Building material yung bamboo, letter D. Eggplant, A. Plant. Food. Nara, letter D. Use a building material yung nara. That's a puno, a tree. Rose, letter B. Use as decoration. Decoration, letter B. Ito, aloe vera. Ba't letter C nakalagay ito? Medicine. Yung aloe vera, you plant, use as medicine. Aloe vera. Cotton, use as clothing material. Cotton. Cotton, yung cotton, yung ginaganyan pagka may sugat. Cotton. Pangit naman kasi hindi man ano kung cotton yan. E. Clothing material. Palunggay. Wood. Nipa. Looks like malunggay. Yuri daw. Malunggay. Nipa. Letter D. Building material. For building material, yung nipa, hindi man mahal pa, hindi mo.
Palas pa yan?
Parang palaspas. Santan. Decoration. Letter B. Use as decoration. Do what is asked. Look at the picture of the acacia tree. Ay, hindi naman kasama. Circle the part of the tree that can be used to make a table. Circle. What part of the tree that can use as a table? The trunk. Yan o, trunk. Yung puno, trunk. Yan o, you check, you correct, you got it correct. What part of coconut tree can be used to make floats? Anong floats? Color it. Float. This one, trunk. You got it, oh. This is the trunk of the coconut tree. You color, you color.
Kami Miss Sweden, bawal daw. Mga
Miss-
color.
Sabi ni Miss Sweden,
Opo.
Sweden ba ang teacher mo?
Opo.
Oh. The pineapple plant is very useful. Check all the ways that people use this plant to make barong Tagalog. Check. Yung pineapple to make juice. Check. To build houses. Bakit check? Build houses yung pineapple. As food. Pineapple as food is check. This one naman. Look at the following parts. Corn. Look at the following parts. Decoration. Food. Yung carrots is food. Decoration. Cauliflower, hindi naman decoration yan eh. Banana, food. Carrots, food. Corn, food. Cauliflower, puro food yan. Food lahat. That's one. You color the food. This not, hindi kasali yung decoration. Dito. Why are plants Important. Draw a happy face before the correct answer. Because they keep the air fresh. Ano? Happy or sad? Happy. Because they are living things.
Manami happy po.
Oh, happy. Because they make our surroundings beautiful. Happy. Because they provide food for animals and people. Happy. Because